Smart Home Award, Asia, Baku White House by Okal Electric in Azerbaijan. Named by the integrator as the most complicated villa integration in the whole of Azerbaijan, this smart home needed a system where the homeowner wouldn't have the need to control anything manually. This was solved by creating a fully automated KNX installation where only scenarios needed to be selected for the whole 700 square meter villa or per room. KNX was chosen here for its flexibility and selection of devices of choice independent from the manufacturer. Key features are a fully automated KNX home with scenes per room, for several rooms or for the full house. Voice control of all scenes is integrated. Automation takes weather, temperature, humidity, light level, occupancy and time of day into account. Building management systems like water supply and treatment, irrigation, boilers, energy metering, pool filtration controlled using KNX.